Just captured some great shots with my drone. I pull out the SD card and the video file is corrupt. What do you do? Well, the fix is so simple, you'll be shocked. Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON, and there is nothing more frustrating than doing a great day of flying with your drone. You get home, pull out the SD card, put it into your laptop, and the file is unplayable. Now, there are just hundreds of video fixing freeware applications that you can download and install to try and fix the MP4 or the MOV files that come off most drones today. But some of them will cost you money, some of them won't restore the entire file because they have file size limitations, and others incorporate spyware and viruses. So be very careful and don't bother going that route initially, because there is an incredibly simple fix that you will not believe. Just quickly, if you enjoy this content or find it useful, hit that subscribe button below and click the little bell next to it as well so that you can see our content as soon as we upload it. Anyway, on to the fix. So you've put the SD card into your computer and you try and play the file and it just basically fails, and you'll get an error message just like this one. And it's the worst feeling in the world because you feel that you've just potentially lost many hours of great flying and great footage. There's a useful tip here to mitigate this. When you are flying with your drone, don't record one long constant file. Break your recording up into bits and sections. It makes it not only easier to manage your files, but also it's easier to edit as well. So before you go down the route of downloading file and video repair applications, you will not believe the fix. Take the SD card out of your computer, put it back in the drone, and turn the drone on, remembering of course to remove the gimbal cover first. Let the drone boot up and just leave it for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes have passed, power down the drone, wait till it's fully powered down, and then remove the SD card and put it back in your laptop or computer. At that point, you might be shocked to find that your file is now repaired. So what happened? Well, luckily, the DJI software incorporates some kind of video fix, whereby when you start up the drone, it looks at the files recorded on the SD card, and if it finds any are corrupted, it repairs them for you. So don't thank me for this, thank DJI. Comment below if this has helped you to solve a corrupt video file. Give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you're a miserable b****. And of course, click the subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching.